Alright, we're recording the storm drain lines here at, 1 second, let me pull the address up, 11431 Willows Road in Redmond. I'm going to start with the storm line further away from Willows Road. Run the camera that is the camera going outside into the drainage ditch. There's a drainage ditch about 12 feet up from the line. That's what the camera's running into there. Pull back. This is the camera running towards the road into the next catch basin, and there is it dropping into the next catch basin. So that's all open. Now we're going to run the camera downstream. We're at the catch basin closest to the road here, and we're going to run it downstream towards the middle of the building alongside the road here. See how far we can get it. So this line was all jetted out as well. Alright, it's 105 feet, that's the end of my camera reel. All open, flowing, no root blockage. Line's in good shape. Signing out.